Dhunuchi dance is an integral part of any Durga Puja. And Artinagar Socio-Cultural Trust of Bengaluru has been organizing Dhunuchi dance for the last 12 years. And I, as a member, feel proud to say that this dance has received Sharad Shonman last 5 consecutive years. Come, let us watch this year's Dhunuchi dance performed by 40 members of this association. The concept and choreography of this Dhunuchi dance is done by Mrs. Mahua Bhattacharya, and I feel very honored to be associated with this dance. Hope you enjoyed this beautiful dance performance. Keep watching my videos and definitely share the video and press the like button and do subscribe to my channel. Till we meet next, take care and happy Vijayadashami to all of you.